and happy New Year's Eve to you all, although who knows what day this will go up on in reality. On this last day of the decade, I am quite belatedly filming my November Ipsy Glam bag. Oh my god, I am so far behind, guys. I still need to do this one. I need to do the Glam Bag Plus. I gotta do my December bags. I gotta do my December and November Target boxes. I need to do my Allure box that I got for December, which I don't know if I'm staying with that subscription. I may cancel it. I just wanted the eyeshadow palette that was in that one, and they had it like $5 off for Black Friday. But there's all those, and then everything else that I need to fill. I am so far behind. It is stupid, but I figured, we'll see what I can do today. So anyways, I don't have to post them all today, I'll just record them. But anyways, oh goodness. This is the bag for November, and it's really effing cute. Frankly, the one for Glam Bag Ultimate, I am super jealous of and almost made me wish that I had paid the $50, but there's no way to know in advance what the bag's gonna look like. So I'm like, but if you try and do the mystery bags after the fact, they jack the price, and for Ultimate, I think they jack it to $65, and I'm like, yeah, no, it's not worth it just for the cute bag, so, womp womp. But anyway, all I know is this is effing cute. I really love it. I love I almost said shepherd. Cheetah leopard, apparently in one. Leopard. And it has this suede tassel on it. I love it so friggin' much. And out of the bag is this Gigi Gorgeous, contouring brush. Now, on the Ipsy subreddit, I saw so many people bitching about the Gigi Gorgeous stuff. Somebody tell me what is up with the brand that I should be hella skeptical of. The only thing that I could concretely see that people were hating on is that apparently the stuff from the Betty Boop Ipsy line is the same stuff from the Gigi Gorgeous line, so I don't really understand how good or bad that is. Please illuminate me. But anyways, I will show you guys the brush, and then I will open the bag and find the info card. But oh, that is a really fat, chunky handle. Let's get the mesh off of there. So thick and fluffy. Oh, it feels like a rabbit's foot. Oh, I like that. Why is everybody bitching about that? That's nice. I don't like it. Kind of looks like a rabbit's foot too, honestly. Like, let's be real. I'm just gonna rub it on my face. Oh, that's so... What? For real? Why are you guys hating? I like it. The ones that are kind of stabby with the rough bristles, I can understand you guys hating on, but this one's nice. I mean, I haven't used it yet to see if it performs, but I mean, it's a brush. There's not that much variation, right? Right. So, anyways, Gigi Gorgeous Contour Brush. Let's find the little card, and I will read whatever it says about it. Well, let me read the thing first. November 2019, Wild Side. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of yourself. Or, I leaned into do all the Etsy things and didn't sleep more than an hour to a night for 2 months straight, I'm only just finally sleeping again. Since, like, New Year's, or not, Christmas Eve. Okay, explore your... Actually, let's see what's on the back. Let's get festive. Get your calendars ready. We're bringing out every bell, whistle, bag, and lipstick for a full lineup of gifting events this holiday season. It's about to get wild. Yeah, I wish I'd had more disposable income to spend in November, for real. On the 25th was Choice Day. Today's the day you can pick the first product in your bag. We'll build the rest around it while you're there. Snag our Ipster exclusive gift sets, win-win. I will throw it out there that I did learn from the subreddit that if you choose something from the choice, they kind of disregard all of your preferences and they build around that choice. So if your preferences mean more to you, don't pick a thing unless you see something that you really love in the choices. Just pro tip. I've made the mistake a few times when I really didn't feel strongly about any of the choices, and kind of regretted it after the fact. So I don't know. And then there have been other times where there was stuff that I fell in love with it and was like, I need that, and then I did not at all regret it, so. November 29th, Black Friday. You've given thanks, now give yourself something epic. Our limited edition 6-item mystery bag goes on sale, but act quick, these fly fast. And December 2nd, Cyber Monday add-ons, best Monday ever. Buy 2 add-ons, get a free sample or $3 off a full-size product. I did take advantage of that. We can't see what you, or can't wait to see what you got. We can't see what you got. Share with your, I can talk. I haven't even drank yet. Share your finds with hashtag discover yourself. Explore your 5 glam bag products and prepare to swipe on something new and oh so you. Get to know your future favorites. The brush is the last one on there, but that's okay. I'll read it first. Gigi Gorgeous, the gorgeous contour brush. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous, who I'd never heard of before this, is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. The chic white contour brush has fluffy bristles and a tapered brush head for easy blending and sculpting. Tip: swirl the brush in the pan to pick up product and tap off excess. Lightly sculpt your cheekbones and add dimension to your face with bronzer. For real, somebody still needs to teach me how to use bronzer. I don't get how it works, and I have a bunch of it. Okay, so there's that brush. It does not have the values on this card, which pisses me off that they're leaving that off of the normal glam bags. Now, this is why there was an explosive warning on the outer bag. This is from Eva NYC. It's Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. Cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, and keeps hair fresh longer for all hair types. And it is 0.75 net weight fluid ounces. Oh my god, there's a lot to read there. No more turning down dates because you have to wash your hair. Who actually turns down dates because they have to wash their hair? That's just a fucking excuse we give, guys. Perfect for busy girls, the Freshen Up Dry Shampoo keeps hair fresh one day longer without even washing. The expert formula... Yeah, you know what? That has never actually worked out for me. It looks worse after it. The expert formula instantly revives lifeless hair by removing excess oil and odor, leaving it clean, stylish, and smooth. Directions: shake can before use, hold 10 to 12 inches away from scalp, and lightly spray for even coverage. Use fingertips to massage through hair. Avoid contact with eyes. If any adverse reaction occurs, stop using the product. Inform your doctor, and if your condition persists, no animal testing, and free from any animal-derived products. Ingredients: butane. Oh, right off the bat, we got fucking butane. You know the thing in lighters? Propane and propane accessories. Alcohol denat. Oriza sativa starch. Fragrance. Distyrodominium hectorite. I don't give a shit. Cyclopentasiloxane. My brain's reading that as cyclopedia. Oh, I'll just read the parentheses part. Sea buckthorn extract, water, butylphenyl methylpropanol, limonene, hydroxycitronolol, hydroxyisohexyl 3, cyclohexene, carboxaldehyde, citronellel, EU responsible person. Okay. Leaping Bunny has a 3 on it and a recycling. Follow us at Eva Hair NYC. Tag us, hashtag Eva NYC, www.eva-nyc.com. In case anybody gave a shit. Short on time, we hear you. Freshen Up Dry Shampoo is weightless spray that absorbs excess oil and adds instant volume and delicious scent to your hair. Eva NYC is a professional quality brand that was born in Brooklyn in 2012. My dyslexic ass almost read that is 2102, and I was like, I know that I was very sleep deprived for a couple months there, but holy shit, how long did I sleep when I caught back up? Tip: shake can before use. Hold 10 to 12 inches away from your scalp and spray lightly for even coverage. Use fingertips to massage through your hairstyle as desired. Or don't. I'm just gonna set that aside. I really don't care about dry shampoos. Okay, what's next? Ooh, Pixie by Petra. I always like the Pixie by Petra stuff. I have their Glow Mist on right now. So little. Oh my god, it's adorable. Look how little and cute this is. Oh my god. What are we? Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Naturally Nude. Oh, Naturally Nude. Well. So this is Okay, it didn't tell me anything more than it says on there. So time is precious and no one knows that better than Pixie by Petra's founder, a mom of four. Her multitasking products are made to fit your on-the-go life, made to enhance your eye shape. This Ipsy exclusive eyeshadow duo... Oh, it's eyeshadow! Yay! This eyeshadow duo features versatile champagne, rose gold, and gold copper. I guess that's technically rose gold. I wouldn't have called it that, but... I guess technically, but barely. I would barely call that rose gold. Tip, apply to eyelids using a brush or fingertips. For more intensity, don't forget eyelid primer for maximum staying power. Good to know that it's eyeshadow. Okay, next thing. Ooh, we have lotion. I like lotion. They hardly ever send me lotion, so I'm happy when they do. So, Barefoot Venus, Wild Ginger, and Sweet Orange Mini Instant Hand Repair. Boy, if I'd opened this on time, I really could have used this in November. Nurture dry, wounded hands back to health with this reparative cream made with mango and shea butters and produced in small batches. It won't leave you greasy, but will leave behind a delicious fragrance of wild ginger, sweet orange, tangerine, and grapefruit. Tip, apply this thick hand moisturizer before bed and after washing or anytime your skin needs intense hydration. I love how retro this looks, like, legit. There's really nothing to read there, so I just want to smell it. Oh, that smells really good. That is, like, amazingly good. Wow. And at least in the tube, it's not like a crazy strong scent, but it's strong enough. I like it. I like that a lot. That may be my favorite thing in here so far. Okay. Is there only one more? Yeah, there's only one more. Aha, we got a lip product. That always makes me happy. So this is a tinted lip balm. Even happier, from Hola Neon, which I didn't realize they did lip balms. That must be a recent thing. It's pretty. Let's go ahead and break the seal. Actually, in the shade Call Me. Do I really want to break the seal? Yeah, I want to break the seal. Let's get it open. I want to see it. It's static clinging. Oh, let's take a look. It's so beautiful in acrylic. It has the Hola Neon. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look-a-rooney. Oh, that smells really good too. The plastic does not. The plastic smells like shit, but the actual product smells really good, like their liquid lipsticks. Unfortunately, it's picking up the plasticky smell of the acrylic, though. I'm not so wild about that. Well, I will read you what the thing says in just a second. Somebody's very persistent. Let me go see what that is. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is very plasticky smelling. I'm hoping that will air out some. I don't know if maybe I should just leave it open, like, before I actually review this proper, because that... You guys who've watched my channel for a while know I am very, very sensitive to plastic smells. And that is not great for me. That is like... Weirdly, the cap itself doesn't even smell as plasticky as this does. That's really concerning. It smells super friggin' chemical. I'm just gonna leave it open while I read about it and hopefully get some air wafting around it, help it air out a little. I'm sure that this brief amount of time isn't gonna make that much difference one way or the other. Oh my goodness. Anyway. So, if I knock it over, though, I'm gonna feel like a dumbass. Hola Neon Tinted Lip Balming Call Me. They're fun, lighthearted, and full of spirit. Hola Neon's products always make us smile. Made in a universally flattering rosy nude. That does look pretty universally flattering, not gonna lie. This tinted lip balm hydrates and softens lips while enhancing your natural lip color and builds from a sheer wash to rich yet natural looking color. Tip, swipe onto your lips for a sheer wash of color, use as needed, or layer on top of other lip products. Which I would be happy to do if it didn't reek like plastic. Oh boy, that is... It almost smells like the diesel truck smell as well as plastic. That is pretty rank. That's the first time an Hola Neon product has let me down like that. That makes me sad, because the liquid lipsticks I have from them, I always get compliments on when I wear them. So that's a little bit of a bummer that the thing I was actually most looking forward to in here is actually... I'm probably the least impressed with that. Maybe I'll feel differently when I've actually used it, but right now I'm like, oh, that is really rank. Anyway, guys, that is it for this Ipsy Glam bag unboxing, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. At least most of the products are good, so anyways, that's it for me. So you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What was your favorite thing that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag in November? I was gonna say this month, but it wasn't this month. What was your favorite thing you got in your November Ipsy Glam bag? Let me know anything and everything down below in the comments. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, which does help so much, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating and grab yourself some donator perks. And anyway, guys, in case you need to hear it and you haven't yet today, I'm proud of you. I love you. See you next time. Bye-bye.